Today I'll be doing an unboxing.
Fly little chick out the 504, independent and she winning, but he wants some more. Keep a bag of my own, you can keep your dough. Investments impress me, rental property undress me.
Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your girl Ireysocurly, and I'm coming back at you with another video. I bought some glitters from Moe Glitz and Glam. She was having a sale, so I went ahead and caught me some. It was spent with my own coins. This is not sponsored, so let's get to it. Cover up my address. So this the packaging. It came real quick. It was fast. I just took my time doing the unboxing and everything. Okay, so first she has just a receipt. I did make a special request. It looks like she gave me a free gift. That's nice. So I bought a 12 pack and it was $42.50, and also she did have a discount code and I paid for the shipping. So let's get into this. Okay, so this came with free glitter primer. This is so cute. Look at her packaging. This is real cute. You gotta get into that. It's like matte in the middle, but kind of is shiny, but then there's glitter all around the borders. So cute. She's based outside of Jackson, Mississippi. I did see that she had started her business with her and her mom, having her mom help her, and I think she's still by herself, but she's much better with the organization and the shipping and everything. So I'm so proud and happy. I don't know her like personally, but I'm just happy that black women are becoming entrepreneurs and taking care of each other and helping each other and getting ownership. So this is cute. This is real cute. I like this. So looks like she gave me, oh, that's what she said, enjoy 5-star gel free. So this is the free gift, the 5-star gel. This is cute. And then look at the packaging. I just like well packaged things. That's cute. With this gold and this green that's on me, it's so fall. It's so fall. I like it. Let's see. Now I want to do something. We ain't gonna waste no product. It's not the best application, but it's cute. That's so cute. That's cute. Okay, so these are all the glitters. This is so cute. I love the packaging. I mean, it's like the packaging is simple, but yet it's so pretty, and it's nothing broke while being transported from here to there, and I love that. So all of these are loose glitters, and then we have this pink one that's a fine glitter, and this is Prada. It's better. Then we're gonna do show Prada. That's really cute. Oh, this is cute. So this is a mixture of chunky and well, just chunky and smaller glitter. No biggie. Sundays. And I have 12. This is so cute. I love her colors. This is another fine glitter, and it's called Purple Passion. This is cute. This is called Smoke and Mirrors. These are so cute, and I can't wait to use them. This one. Okay, so I have to cover my face. This one is called Lady Killers, and these are so cute. These are so cute. Look how they just stack up on top of each other. So cute like that. I wish they would, if she had packaging, if she could find packaging where they can all connect together like that, that would be so dope. So dope. So that way, freelancers, MUAs, and aspiring MUAs, makeup artists, can carry this with them in their kit bag, and it all be together where they could just grab out their glitters. That would be so dope. Okay, so I have 6 more. So this one is a mixture of chunky glitter and loose glitter, and it's called Man Eater. Look how pretty it is though. This is real pretty. This is called Sangria, and it looks just like the wine. Okay, this may be my favorite one. This is called Pink Ice, and these have like different shapes of the glitter. Like there's hexagons and round. Maybe I can open this one. I don't want to spill it, but there's hexagons and fine glitter and stars, and so pretty. It's just so pretty. Okay, my last 3. This is called Glitz on Water. It's so pretty. This is cute. This is called Dripping Honey. This one is called Hot Toddy. This might be my favorite one. This looks like it's a mixture of like bronze and gold. It's real cute. It makes me think of, like, I'm from New Orleans and I'm a Saints girl. Saint Spain, Saint Stained. That is for game day. Okay, so okay, guys, those are my 12 glitters that I ordered. I was not expecting a free gift, and then the glitter glue. So that was a big surprise, and like I said, these are real cute. And I spent my own money, my own coins, and I love her packaging. It's so cute. It's creative. I like her colors. They're not like the normal colors that other companies have. They're so pretty. It's just so pretty. Everything was very, very well put together, from the packaging, from the shipping that was fast, and then everything was packaged well, where nothing was loose or broken. And she get 5 stars from me. So go ahead and go to her Facebook page. I'll link the business page in the description box below. And if you guys are into makeup and you want to support black businesses in glitter makeup products, oh, my sinuses is acting up now. If you want to support, go ahead and click the link in the bio. Click the link in the description box. Jesus, why? I don't understand. Okay, guys, those are my final thoughts on the Moe Glitz and Glam glitter. Well packaged, fast delivery. Can't really say, well, customer services is great because she listened to my special instructions. She gave free gifts. So 5 stars all around. Check her out. I'll link the business page in the description box below. Thank you.